My pre-law school experience, I graduated from the U in social work. I was taking my social work classes and my intention was to be a caseworker for Child Protective Services. I really wanted to advocate for kids that were being abused and neglected, and I was really passionate about child welfare. So that was my big dream. So I did my social work undergrad here. And then as I was taking my classes, I started to take a couple of political science classes and really think about law school and really think about guardian ad litem work, which is being an attorney for people that can't represent themselves, so children who are being abused and neglected in the juvenile court system. So I started to just tack on more and more political science classes. I wanted to come to SJ Quinney. I loved my undergrad experience at the University of Utah, and I really wanted to stay here, stay in Salt Lake, stay around family, and I had heard amazing things about the Quinney College of Law, so I really wanted to come here and was super excited when Dean Aguilar sent me my beanie in the mail that said I got in. So I was super excited about that. I do hope moving forward into my legal career and after graduation, I want to work and I want to have a lot of integrity in my work. But I also think that the Salt Lake legal community, especially the family law and like guardian ad litem space that I hope to be in, is very, very tiny. And Utah is at the forefront of making a lot of big legal innovations that can really help people. And I think being a part of this tiny Salt Lake legal community, you can have a big impact. And I hope that I can have an impact moving forward. I hope that I can be at these tables with these wonderful people and share ideas and like keep hopefully making big changes. My advice for people that want to come to law school is to make the decision in your heart and soul and then stick with it, because a lot of people are going to have a lot of things to say. They're going to tell you it's very hard. They're going to tell you don't do it. A lot of attorneys that I knew or worked with before law school told me not to go to law school, and I can appreciate them looking out for my mental well-being. But coming to law school has opened so many doors for me. It has been an amazing experience. I've made so many friends and so many connections and broadened my horizons so much that I just would say make the decision for yourself, and if you want to do it, you can do it. I love SJ Quinney. I think it's a great option for law school, primarily because the Salt Lake legal community is so small and so interwoven. The Utah Supreme Court is so involved with SJ Quinney. Everyone is just interconnected in a way that I don't think you're going to find at a lot of other law schools, which has made it easy to make so many connections and just be a part of something bigger and be a part of your legal community in a way that can actually make a difference. Salt Lake is at the forefront of a lot of very cool legal innovations with the sandbox and the licensed paralegal practitioners. There's just a lot of very cool things happening that are going to give a lot of people access to justice that wouldn't have had it before. And being at SJ Quinney, I have been able to not only be a part of that, but see all of that unfold in real time. And I think that's awesome.